This video will be perfect for those who want to make a reliable home automation system for their home or offices, or for those who want to start their own startup in this field of IoT and home automation. Well, this can be your prototype for pitching your investors. So hello everyone, now in this video we'll be controlling our home appliances in two different manners. One with our normal switches like we regularly do in our day-to-day life, just like this. No matter internet is working or not, this will work as usual. And second, with the help of Alexa without saying that trigger word, just like this.
Alexa, turn on frame light.
Okay.
And along with this, you will also get the live status of the manual switch straight on your Alexa app. So without wasting time, let's jump on to making this project. For those who have watched my previous video on Alexa based automation, let me tell you that this video is upgraded version of that project. So previously we were able to control the appliances within the local area network only, while in this project you will be able to control the appliances from anywhere in the world using your Alexa app on your smartphone. So for making this project, you'll require a ESP32 development board, a 220 volt AC to 5 volt DC power supply, couple of 5 volt relays, some resistors, diodes, LEDs, on-off switch, and couple of terminal connectors. And well, you have to connect all these appliances in this manner. Now due to so many connections, I just designed my own custom PCB for the project and gave its order to GLC PCB. So on GLC PCB, you just need to upload the Gerber file of the PCB, select the number of PCBs and color masking according to your need, and pay for your order. You will be getting your own custom PCBs delivered at your home. So try ordering your own custom PCBs to make your project look neat and less complex. After soldering the component on the PCB, our complete project looks like this. That's all about the hardware. Now let's jump onto a computer to configure our Sinric account. So basically, Sinric is an Alexa skill using which we will be able to give command to our Alexa to control appliances connected to the ESP32 board. So for that, first go to sinric.com, click on register and make your account here. After logging into your account, you will get a screen like this. So here are the API keys for your account. Just keep this API keys private, otherwise anyone may be able to control your appliances. After that, click here to add new device. Now give it a name. Remember, the name which you will mention here will be used by Alexa to control that appliances. So just name it according to your appliances which you are going to connect with our hardware. I will name it as Smart Clock, as I will be connecting a smart IoT clock with this project. Then you can give a description if you want. And after that, select the device type. In my case, it is a switch, so I will select switch here. After that, just click on save. This will create a new device with a unique device ID in your account. Similarly, you can create and add multiple devices into your Syndrich account. Okay, so I added 4 devices here as I am making a demo project for controlling 4 appliances. So that's all about the Syndrich configuration. Now let's jump on to the coding part of the project. So this is the code used for the project. Make sure you already have ESP32 boards installed in your Arduino. If not, then kindly watch out this video in which I have shown the process of adding them. After that, you need to have all these libraries installed to run this code. If you don't have any of this, don't worry, I have mentioned the link for all the libraries inside the code itself. Moving ahead, here you have to provide the API key of your account, which you can get on the dashboard of your Syndrich account. Just copy that and paste it here. After that, provide the SID name and password of your Wi-Fi router, as this project do require internet connection while working with Alexa. And after that, you just need to add your device IDs here, which you can get it from that same Syndrich dashboard. Copy them one by one and paste them all here. So that was it about the changes which you need to do inside the code. Now just select the right board and port and hit the upload button. So by the time the code gets uploaded, make sure you hit the like button if you're really enjoying this video and got to learn something new from it. And also let me know in the comments that have you ever made or will be making your home a smart home? Well, if I would ask to answer this question, then Not home, but yes, my office is completely a smart office where everything is controlled using Alexa and as well as with the manual switches in case there is no internet. What about you? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so the code is successfully uploaded. Now let's open the Alexa app to add devices in it. For that, open up Alexa app on your smartphone, swipe right on the screen and select skills and games. Now here, search for Sinric. Select the first option. Now tap on enable button to activate the skill. Here, log into your Syndrich account. After successfully logging into your account, just close this tab. Now click on discover devices. After some time, all the devices which you have added on your Syndrich account will be added here. That's completely what you need to do for making this project. Now let's insert the ESP32 board inside the PCB. Well, here I have already installed this project in my studio and I have connected the switches and the appliances with the project in this manner. Now let's power it up and see this project in action.
Alexa, turn on smart clock.
Okay.
As you can see, we are able to control the devices using Alexa. Let's try out with the manual switches. Okay, so you can see that I am able to turn on and off the appliances with the switches and I am even getting the real-time feedback on the Alexa application. Well, I can also control the appliances using the Alexa app on my smartphone. Okay, so now let's just test in a different scenario where your internet is down or your router is not working at all. Don't worry, this project will automatically shift into the without internet connection mode, which is revealed by the single LED. And in this mode, you will be able to control the appliances with the switches like you normally do in your day-to-day life. And well, if the project gets the internet connection back, it will automatically switch back to internet mode, which is revealed by these 3 LEDs. And now you will be able to control this project using Alexa as well as the switches.
Alexa, turn on smart clock.
Okay.
Isn't it a perfect Alexa-based home automation system to not only make but actually install it in your home and offices? Do let me know your feedback in the comments of the video. Subscribe my channel if you haven't. Support me on Patreon if you really appreciate my work. And now just wait for my next video and explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.